Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Ako si Kuya Boyet. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is a chocolate cupcake recipe. Well, siguro tinatanong nyo, bakit naman isi-share pa niya yung chocolate cupcake? Meron na kami nagawang cupcake or meron na kayong ginagamit na chocolate cake or chocolate cupcake recipe. Kasi ito, for me, is the best. One of the best, kung hindi the best, na na-try kong chocolate cupcake recipe. Na-encounter ko siya nung time na nagsisimula ako as a baker. Naghahanap ako online ng different cake recipe or specifically chocolate cake recipe, and na-encounter ko siya and na-try ko siya, although marami na ako na-try. Ito yung na-try ko na for me the best when it comes to texture, sa lasa, sa quality ng ingredients, and the best talaga to guys. So before kayo mag-conclude na ano ba yan, simple lang naman yan, try nyo muna guys. Hindi kayo magsisisi. This is moist, rich, decadent, and melt in your mouth. Yes, melt in your mouth. Chocolate cupcake recipe na gagawin ninyo. So, simulan na natin for the ingredients. Okay, so for the ingredients, we need 1/3 cup of chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate chips. So, kung wala kayong chocolate, you can use, or wala kayong chocolate chips, you can use chocolate bars. I-chop nyo lang siya and then kuha kayo ng mga 1/3 cup. So we have 1/3 cup of chopped chocolate and then 1/4 cup ng butter. Now gagawin natin dito is i-melt natin sa microwave. Kung walang microwave, i-double boiler nyo siya or any way you want, basta mag-melt kayo or ma-melt nyo siya. Combine na butter and chocolate. Okay, nandito na yung ating chocolate na minelt ko, or hindi pa siya nagme-melt kasi hindi ko pa siya minimix. So, since nag-melt na yung ating butter, once minix natin siya with the chocolate, magme-melt na yung chocolate natin. So, i-melt natin completely. Now, when it comes to chocolate, you can use any type ng chocolate. Kung gusto nyo ng dark chocolate, extra dark chocolate, semi-sweet, bittersweet, milk chocolate, feel free to use whatever brand ng chocolate or type ng chocolate na gusto nyong gamitin. Except for white chocolate kasi syempre, chocolate cupcake yung gagawin natin. Pero, I think pwede naman siya. Bahala kayo. Okay, natapon pa. Simutin natin. Sayang. So, transfer natin sa ating mixing bowl. Now, reminder, medyo mainit-init pa yung mixture natin. Kaya, medyo palamigin lang natin ng konti before we add the rest of the ingredients. And then we add in 1/3 cup ng sour cream. Now ito, I would advise na i-try nyo muna siya with the exact recipe. Which means, kung sour cream, try nyo muna ng sour cream bago kayo mag-substitute para malaman nyo or matikman nyo yung sinasabi kong the best chocolate cupcake. Okay? Although dito sa sour cream, pag wala kayong sour cream, you can probably use just fresh milk, evaporated milk, yogurt, or gawa kayo ng substitute for sour cream, which is for every 1 cup ng all-purpose cream or heavy whipping cream, mag-add lang kayo ng 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, or 1 tablespoon ng lemon juice. Okay, so like I said, kung gusto nyo matry kung ano yung sinasabi ko, sundin nyo muna yung ingredients natin. And then we add in, this is 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. So pinagsama ko lang siya. Again, 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. So i-mix lang natin. And then the remaining of our wet ingredients, we have half cup ng water, half cup ng oil. I'm using canola oil. And you can use vegetable or any neutral oil na gusto nyong gamitin. And I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So, let's add them sa ating bowl. So, ganyan lang. Madali lang. Sama-sama lang sila. Now, here comes our dry ingredients. We add in sugar, 1 cup of sugar. Actually, medyo binawasan ko yung sugar kasi pag ako nagbe-bake or pag for personal consumption, always binabawasan ko ng sugar. So, ang bawas ko is nag-scoop ako ng 1 cup tapos tinanggalan ko lang ng konti. So, hindi siya exactly 1 cup. Pero, wala naman masyado difference yun. And then, we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And then, we have half cup of cocoa powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. So, i-mix lang natin until fully combine lahat ng ingredients. Now, I have here cupcake pan with 12 pieces ng cupcake liners. This is 3 ounces ng cupcake liners, yung standard dito sa Philippines or sa ibang bansa. So, mag-scoop lang tayo. Punuin lang natin yung ating cupcake liner ng 2/3 full. Basta wag punong-puno kasi aalsa pa to. And ayaw naman natin na masyadong umalsa siya and lumagpas doon sa ating cupcake liner. Now, kung wala kayong ice cream scoop, pwede naman yung measuring cup lang. You can use 1/4 cup na measuring cup sa pagta-transfer ng cupcake batter natin sa cupcake liner. Okay, meron pa tayong extra batter. Siguro kaya pa to ng mga, let's say, 1, 2, 3, mga 4 pa. So, in this recipe, we can make 12, 13, 14, 15. Ang tanga sa math. 16. 16 cupcakes. So, 15 to 16 cupcakes, depende sa size ng cupcake liners na gagamitin ninyo. Siyempre, pwede din itong mixture natin or yung cupcake batter natin gamitin for cakes. So, yung oven ko, na-preheat ko na at 180 degrees. I-bake natin to for 18 to 20 minutes and titest natin for doneness using toothpick or barbecue stick or cake tester. Itetest natin siya after mga 15, 18 minutes. Kapag clear na yung ating tinusok, wala ng crumbs, ready na yung ating cupcake. So, i-bake natin and balikan natin pag ready na yung ating cupcake. Alright, so na-bake na natin and napalamig na rin natin yung ating chocolate cupcake. So, I made 12 cupcakes and then yung natirang batter natin is iniwan ko na lang sa oven. Pero bake na sila. Andun lang sila. I was able to make 15 cupcakes lang kasi medyo puno yung ginawa ko. Siksik siya. So, lampas siya sa ating cupcake liner kung makikita nyo. I think the perfect cupcake size. I mean, yung parang nakaumbok siya, naka-dome shape siya, pero hindi siya yung umbok na umbok and then hindi din siya kulang sa batter. So, perfect lang siya. And then, meron ako ditong chocolate ganache. Actually, ito yung natira na chocolate ganache from my last video, yung cream puff and eclairs. So, mga 2:1 ratio ng chocolate to all-purpose cream or heavy whipping cream. Now, ganito itsura niya kasi naset na siya sa ref. So, magto 2 weeks na to. So, kaya ganito siya ka-thick. Now, ang gagawin natin is i-whip natin yung ating ganache and then ipapipe natin sa ating cupcake. So, pag na-whip yung ganache, tinatawag siyang whipped ganache. Ang smart ko doon. Hindi, ganun talaga. Kasi may mga iba-ibang tawag sa ganache. So, kapag ganache is fully melted lang siya, which is medyo mainit pa siya, yun yung mga pwedeng pang glaze or pang drip. Depende kung saan nyo gagamitin yung ganache. So, magva-vary siya sa ratio niya between chocolate and cream and also sa consistency niya. So, eto, i-whip natin kaya kailangan malamig yung ating ganache and set talaga siya or na-ref talaga siya. So, i-whip lang natin hanggang mag-volumize and maging light and fluffy yung ganache natin. Okay? So, kapag na-whip yung ganache, maglalighten siya sa color at saka mas magiging light siya when it comes to texture. Para pag ginamit natin siya sa ating chocolate cupcake, hindi naman ganun masyadong overpower yung lasa ng frosting natin. Okay, so let's try na natin mag-pipe ng ating frosting. So make sure na malamig na siya or already at room temperature para hindi man mag-melt yung ating ganache. So pwedeng standard frosting na pa-swirl or kung gusto nyo yung rosette ruffles, mag-start kayo sa center, pipe nyo and then towards the edge and then pull away. So ito yung rosette ruffles na tinatawag. Or rosette. Rosette lang pala. Ito yung rosette na tinatawag. So pwedeng standard swirl. So kung rosette, mag-start sa center. Ayan. Okay. So, ito na yung ating cupcake na the best. This is the best, guys. The best cupcake, chocolate cupcake na gagawin ninyo. Promise, I guarantee you. Subukan nyo siya. So, buksan na natin. Mag-try tayo ng isa. Mahirap siyang i-describe kapag sa camera kasi hindi nyo naman talaga makikita yung texture niya, yung lasa niya. Pero masasabi ko lang, i-try nyo siya muna. Tapos, let me know. Kapag hindi to the best, well, for me, this is the best. Baka hindi sa inyo, pero gusto ko siya talaga. Nagme-melt siya sa bibig. Ang sarap. Let me tell you na hindi siya ganun ka-moist. Kasi itong cupcake na to, medyo crumbly siya. Hindi siya yung traditional na nakasanayan natin na moist chocolate cake. Gusto ko talaga yung texture niya pag sa cupcake. And since gumamit tayo ng chocolate talaga, ng pure chocolate, talagang lasang-lasa mo yung chocolate taste niya. And again, kahit walang frosting, yung chocolate lang mismo or yung cupcake lang mismo, solve na ka. Yun lang guys, and I hope itry nyo itong recipe. Again, this recipe is from cupcakeproject.com. Do check their website para ma-check nyo yung exact measurement ng bawat ingredients and yung recipe and procedures ng paggawa ng cupcake na to. Ito, ginawa ko lang siya para i-share ko yung I think the best cupcake, chocolate cupcake recipe, and I also want to share it to my viewers para ma-experience nyo din yung na-experience ko pag every time gumagawa ako nitong recipe na to. Okay? And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe. and see you on our next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.